This is a quick summary and update of a 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 with a 3.6 liter V8 that we bought this spring. This car was a barn find in Virginia. Guy brought it up north here and had it listed for sale. Did not run really. It had a 750 CFM 4-barrel on it, no exhaust, no gas tank, no anything. Floors are rotted out. Me and Alice found this thing online for about, I think we paid $1,800 for it, which was a pretty good deal because the body is solid, just needs floor pans. The first step was I need to find a way to make it so that it would run, so we just kind of took a jug, threw some gas in it, ran a line to the carburetor that was on it to see if it would even fire. It did, which was awesome. The car, I kind of plan on keeping the body the way it is just because it looks used and weathered and the colors is phenomenal. I found a 4-barrel. It already had an adapter plate on the intake, so we decided to just keep running the 4-barrel. I bought just a 500 CFM 4-barrel. I think it's a 1402 is the carb. Just get it off the shelf of Advanced Auto. Ran pretty good. There was no exhaust. The head doesn't really have headers, it has exhaust manifolds, and they were all cracked and broken. So the next step was I needed to order an exhaust system, but nobody really made one that was dual exhaust, and we wanted an X pipe and all that. So I bought one of those kits you can buy from Pipes where it just sends you a bunch of different bends and an X pipe, and I kind of built our own header and everything. Took a little while. Took about a week to actually mock it up and get it together. It's not perfect by any means. I'm not a professional fabricator. It's not Gas Monkey Garage or some TV show, but it works. It actually sounds really well. At this point in the car's life, it still had not even had a throttle cable. We literally just had a piece of wire that we would pull. No choke. The floors weren't done. We're missing a bunch of bezels for where the key goes for the start of the vehicle. Actually, the key was broke when we got it, so we ordered all of that. Got all the gauges working, put a fuel cell in it. Obviously, those floors are not the greatest. We're not professionals, but it's way better than it was. We even have the 12-volt hooked up so that you can charge your phone while you're going to the movies with it. I took a choke cable off from an old Polaris 4-wheeler and a throttle cable off from an old Honda 4-wheeler and wired them up. Got it all working. This is the first actual drive of the vehicle, and I've got those Krager wheels for it, but they didn't fit without the right washers, so the first time we drove it we had to put the little 13s back on. We did put about 800 miles on it this summer, took it to the drive-ins multiple times, and got compliments everywhere we go. People just love the way it sounds and how it looks, has that patina. I'll give you more updates of what we do as we go. The wife wants to put a bigger motor in it. It's only got a 221 V8, so we'll see. If you like this type of stuff, please like and subscribe. I was going through photos and decided to put it together. Thanks.